And so the story begins. Like most things, if it's too good to be true, then probably it is. And in this case, it is not different. Just looking at it, I can see the PlayStation is very dirty. The controllers I will check at a later stage. Before I can even test this machine, I'm going to clean it very well with these tools. I can clearly see someone else already opened this PS4 once or twice. Don't you just hate it when people just plainly lie about what they are selling? I mean, if you sell it cheap and just tell the truth, I probably still would have bought it. One of my worst experiences was when I saw the simple ceiling fan. It was in perfect condition and I sold it during a heat wave. A very kind young man came to the door, checked it, even turned it on, and after we moved it together, he went away. A couple of weeks later he came knocking at the door, shouting it hasn't been working well and one of the fan blades was bent. Long story short, told him about the surveillance cam, showed him quickly a small part of the video, he calmed down and went away. And it did help that I had some friends over. But back to this PS4, so I bought it for 145 euros, including 3 controllers and 2 games, Red Dead Redemption 2 and Cyberpunk. I think it's an okay deal, just to try a PlayStation. Growing up, I was always on the other camp, so most of my friends had a Super Nintendo, I had a Sega. People were playing on a Game Boy, I played on a Game Gear. And sometimes I just got the knockoff. Same thing, but cheaper, my parents told me. So when the PS1 came out, I waited on the Nintendo 64. Then I hopped over to the original Xbox, while my friends got the PS2. So I got the Xbox 360 when everyone else got the PS3. And here we are, 9 years later, I'm jumping on the PlayStation hype. On a budget, of course. I must say I never cleaned a console before, but I watch a lot of videos explaining what to do. And I don't think I can explain it better, so just discovering as I go in this video. I'm not ready to do a deep cleaning yet like I watch Tronics Fix do, but that guy is really on another level. By the way, the vacuum cleaner I use here is the Xiaomi Dreamy V9. It's the cheaper Dyson, I really like it. Maybe I will do a video about it one day. Okay. And now the tricky part, removing the power supply unit, and let's see what's beneath that. Okay, so this doesn't look too bad. Yeah, I can blow most of the gunk out. The air intake, on the other hand, is really dirty. Definitely a smoker, and by the smell of it, I think not just normal cigarettes, if you know what I mean. I'm not sure if I can get the smell out of the machine ever, but a small trick I learned from other appliances is placing the device in a closed box with some coffee grind should help absorbing some of the smell. Yeah, that is absolutely gross. Yeah, I'm going to do another round with the dust blower. It's basically a pressurized can of air. One thing I learned is, after shaking the can, do not use it immediately, it will create some condense, not good for your electronics. And now it's time to do a quick clean on the outside. I can't believe how much of filth can get into all those small crevices. And this backplate is the most horrible thing I have seen up until now. I really cannot believe that this PlayStation has already been opened before and still you can find this. I need to get the big guns out and use some Dettol on this. So, we are all done. Yeah, almost done. I bought this so long ago, I just unpacked it last night, so I don't even know what I should do next. Report the seller? Reach out to him? You guys have seen how dirty this machine was, so what would you do? Let me know in the comments.